Can you say hello? No. She says, no, I can't say hello. I don't want to talk to anybody. What is it, kitten? What? Yeah. Kitten. Here, you want to lay down? You want to lay down? Yeah, let's lay down. This is how she likes me to hold her. She's a little bit weird. She's done this since she was a baby. So we flip her right over on her back and down she goes. Anyway, guys, hi. How's it going? Lori here on Vancouver Island and Tabby here as well. And she's probably going to jump down because she doesn't like me talking unless I'm talking to her. So she makes me put her down. But she was wanting up, so I picked her up. But anyway, so how's everyone doing? It is, gosh, it's the end of April. I haven't been in the painting room for days. Oh my gosh, I did one painting. Well, I did a bunch of resin on coasters and used my new drying rack. There she goes. And used my new drying rack, and it worked great at keeping the dust off. And I don't know if you guys remember these. If you go back to, it's the video right after I did Mom's hair with the paint and stuff. Well, if you remember, I'll link it somewhere. I'll try to remember. I always try to think, write those down while you're editing, Lori, so you know where they are, and I never remember to write them down. All right. I don't, because I'm in the middle of doing 14 things at one time while I'm editing video. So, anyway, if you remember these, I used that hair dye. Remember? I think I mixed it with that accent paint. The base, and it's almost a clear. But anyway, it made a really pretty paint, but look what it did when I resined. Can you see that? I might have to... I don't know if you can, oh, there, like you can see right up here, right? If you've ever put resin on silicone, I'm thinking that this is the same thing that happens, is it did put a light veneer, a finish on it, and it glossed it up. See that right there in the corner? But it is definitely lacking in resin as compared to the rest of it, like, and this whole big section right here where that pink is, all of this here is... It's all a different level than this dark blue is. Anyway, so that I thought was kind of interesting. Anyway, so I hope y'all are doing okay. I hope things in your world are good. Things are pretty good here. Not much has changed. We're still just, you know, staying home, and I'm still working, and my husband is still retired, and Mom is still here, and she's still retired, and nothing really much has changed for us. Alrighty, so the colors that I'm going to use are just a combination of colors that I've made up. So I can't even tell you what they are because they're just colors that have been mixed together over time. And so I'm going to use this kind of purpley gray as my base. And they're all pretty thin, and that's why they're all mixed together. And then you can see the colors I'm going to use over here. There's a pink, so like a hot pink kind of. And then this is like a light peach. Where's the camera? There's the camera. I have to get used to this new angle here. It's not a new angle, but I flipped the camera over. So, anyway. And then there's this, which is a darker peachy color. Oh yeah, I used to have it over here, and now it's over here. I flipped it. I don't know what it'll do to the end product, but we'll find out. So, and then I have a red. Kind of a red. And then I have gold. And my dear friend Gay from New Zealand, and her channel is Popular Pouring Fluidart, and she just hit over 500 subscribers. Congratulations, Gay. Who else did? I think it was Maria. Pouring My Therapy, Maria from there. She just hit 500 too. So congratulations to both of you. I will leave links to their channels down in the description for this video because they are both fabulous artists and you should check them out. If you haven't already, I know we have a lot of the same subscriber base. Anyway, Gay the other day mixed Floetrol with glitter and put it in one of her paintings. And so I am going to try that with this gold glitter that I have. Because I do have the gold there. And they're, you know, they are like more feminine colors. You know, you don't want to say they're girly colors. I guess that's bad, but they are feminine colors. Really, for the most part. That's a bit thick. I think I'm going to need to go and, oh, nope, I have some water here. Just a little. I usually keep this full back here of, it's not distilled, but it has been purified water. Oh, that might be a little too thin now. I might have got too much. I know I'm mumbling. Sorry. I don't mean to do that. Well, maybe not. Might even be a little thick, but my cup is not going to get any bigger, so yeah, I don't know, it drops right in there. It should be okay. I think the lumpiness is from the glitter itself. But yeah, so we're going to give this a shot and see what happens. Anyway, wish me luck. Let's have some fun. Okay, now I love it. It just needed a little bit of that dioxazine purple to get into the game, which I thought it did, and I knew that this was almost empty. I did mean to put it in there in the first place, but yeah, so I'm going to let this sit here and ferment for a few minutes, and we'll see what it does. I didn't do so great on capturing all my stuff, but as you know, my table is not level, and so I've got one of my Lazy Susan thingies underneath there. But yeah, I'll let it dry and I'll bring you on down for a close-up. Well, it's not 100% dry yet, but it's pretty darn close. And I'm just going to take you kind of around. I'm going counterclockwise instead of clockwise, because you know I got to be backwards. I didn't do that intentionally, it just happened that way. Anyway, look at some of the beautifulness in this. It just turned out gorgeous. Anyway, Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to my babbling. Sorry, I've been missing you. I've been out of the art room for a few days and haven't been able to talk to you. So, yeah, it's been great being back. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Up over 180 now, so just amazing. I love you all. Thank you. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that like bell. Leave me a comment. Take care of yourself. Bye now.